going to give you the instructional for line dance, Sugahh, Feels So Real, choreographed by Joan Drew. I'm going to turn backwards. It starts off with an out and cross. You're going to do 4 of them. Out, cross, right over left, out, left over right, out, right over left, out, left over right. Now you're going to walk back. Right, left, right, left. I'm going to do it on this side. Out, cross, out, cross, out, cross, out, cross walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, and rock. 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. Now I'm going to add the second step from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, cross, out, cross, out, cross, out, cross walk. Right, left, and rock. 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to be doing out and cross going to the back. Out, cross, out, cross, out, cross walk. Up, 2, 3, 4. Rock, 2, 3, 4. Do that from the side. 5, 6, 7, back. Out, cross, 2, cross, 3, cross, 4, cross walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, rock. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to give you a front view of everything from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, cross, 2, cross, 3, cross, 4, cross walk. Back, 2, 3, 4, rock. 2, 3, 4. Out, cross back, cross back, cross back, cross back, walk up, 2, 3, 4, and rock. 2, 3, 4. Next part of the dance, you're going to do a Lindy. Lindy to the right and Lindy to the left. 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. Lindy to the right and Lindy to the left. 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do the next part from the Lindy. Clap. Lindy to the right and Lindy to the left. 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Lindy to the right and Lindy to the left. 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put all of that together. I'm going to let the clock finish chiming so it won't interrupt what you may need to hear from me. All right, from the top. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, cross, 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 cross walk. Back, 2, 3, 4, and rock. Cross in the back. Out, cross, 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 cross walk. Up, 2, 3, 4, and rock. Now Lindy. Lindy to the right, Lindy to the left. 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lindy to the right, Lindy to the left. 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do the James Browns. So starting with the right foot. Right, left, cha, 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 left, right, cha, cha, cha. Walk back, heel up, back, back. Do it again. Right, left, cha, 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 left, right, cha, cha, cha. Heel up, 2, 3, 4. From the side. 5, 6, James Brown. Right, left, cha, cha, cha. Left, right, cha, cha, cha. Walk back, heel up, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. Right, left, cha, cha, cha. Left, right, cha, cha, cha. Heel up, 2, 3, 4. Now, we're almost at the end of the whole sequence of steps. This is the last part before we go to the second wall. So it's a 2-wall dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross right over left with a triple step or cha-cha-cha. Left over right. Cha-cha-cha walk. Rock right, left, shuffle to the right, left, right, shuffle to the left. Just cross that over. Right over left, cha-cha-cha, left over right. Cha-cha-cha, rock right, left, to right, to left. Do it again. Right over left, cha-cha-cha, left over right. Cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, second one. Rock up, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So you're going to do a rock easy on the second one. So let me do that again. The whole thing up to that part. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, cross, and cross, and cross, and cross. Walk back, 2, 3, 4, and rock. Cross back, out, cross, 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 cross. Walk up, 2, 3, 4, and rock. Now Lindy. Lindy to the right, Lindy to the left. 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lindy to the right and Lindy to the left. 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. James Brown. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk back, slide back, heel up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're walking back, sliding, slide, heel up, slide, slide, slide. Do it again. James Brown. 3 and 4. James Brown. Slide again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to do that crossover. Right over left with a triple step. Left over right. Triple step. Rock right, left, 2 to the right, left, right, 2 to the left. Cross over with a triple step. Over with a triple step. Now you're going to do that rock easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That completes all the steps in the dance. However, when you get to the third cycle of this dance, it's just going to do James Brown's and it go like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slide back, heel up. 2, 3, 4. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slide back. 2, 3, 4. That's 2. James Brown. 2, 3, and 4. James Brown. 2, 3, and 4. Slide back. 2, and in. 2, 3, 4. This is 4. 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Back, back, kick, kick, step, half turn. I'm going to make sure I did that right. I'm going to do it again. 5, 6, James Brown. This is on the third cycle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2. Then bring it in. 3, 4. That's 3. 2, 3, and 4. 4, 2, 3, and 4. Right, left, kick, kick, step, half turn. That's your fourth one. Okay, those are all the dance steps in the dance. At the fourth final part, you're going to do the dance and it's going to go right into that bridge. So you'll do the out and cross, the shuffle, and then it's going to go into the James Brown. Back, back, and it's going to say, feel so real. James Brown, you're only going to do 2 of them. Brown, back, back, kick, kick, step, half turn. And then you start to dance over, just like from the beginning, and do it all the way to the end of the music. I hope you enjoyed this line dance. You can find other line dances on the Chocolate Platinum Soul Line Dance video instructional series 101.5. Thank you, and I want to give shouts out to Jodi Drew. Jodi created this dance, and she did a fantastic job. Thank you, Jodi. Hope you enjoy. Come back. Bye-bye.